Hey, what's up, guys? HVAC Vitals here. I've just now got my scale, I guess that's what it is. We're gonna open it up before it starts raining here. Do an unboxing, I guess. It starts raining harder. Yeah, this is my refrigerant scale. There it goes. Finally got it. It's already raining, so I'm gonna turn the camera off and I'll do a more unboxing in the house here. Anyway, do an unboxing in the garage here on top of the trash can. But yeah, just got this scale to measure my refrigerant cylinders. Brand new scale. This the 9010A slim scale here. So nothing's in the box. Yeah. See if I use that whatnot. Don't matter, but yeah, there's my oops, sorry about that. There's the instructions there. I mean, all the, or most of the refrigeration scales come with a case. Like I said, I'm new at this. This is my first scale. Very happy with my purchase. They come with a battery. Non-slip surface there. But yeah, like every time you add refrigerant or get a cylinder, you want to measure or weigh your refrigerant cylinder. See how many pounds you have in it. I mean, if you're new like I am, I mean, if you're seasoned HVAC veteran and you know all about this stuff. Oh. Okay, cool. So it has that to where I can put it up like that or take it out, put it over here. This battery's packaged well. But like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up or whatnot. But like I said, it's my YouTube channel here, and like I said, I'm a newbie at the trade. Not claiming to know everything. This is all like a learning channel for me. Okay. Just scrolling through different menu. Yeah. Thing's super sensitive. Awesome. But yeah. There you go. There you go, guys. That's the 910A, the slim. Reason I got this is because I'm gonna be putting this in my toolbox and be in my car mostly because I don't have a van or anything like that. So trying to be compact as possible, and also the price on this is very reasonable. So can't really beat the price that I got this. No, I didn't get any deals or anything like that. Like I said, I'm new at this, so nobody knows my face or whatnot. But haven't battle tested this out in the field. I'm gonna take it to class today and see using in class. But yeah, I got my paperwork and stuff there on the side. Nice durable case. Some of the ones I looked at didn't have a durable case like this. Case was kind of flimsy. I know some of the high-end scales didn't even have a case at all. Yeah, you take the scale out, metal bottom there. I know some people, when they weigh their refrigerant, they take the whole scale out. They don't weigh their refrigerant in the case. And I know some people that weigh their refrigerant in the case. Some people say that it throws the poundage off or the weigh off if you weigh your refrigerant in the case. I don't know. In class, we weigh the refrigerant cylinder in the case, and we just take the display out. Put the display on the side. But yeah, I'm real happy with my purchase on this. Took a long time to get here. It took 2 weeks to get this scale here. Bluetooth stuff. Not saying that they're bad or anything like that, and I haven't dealt with Bluetooth devices with HVAC, but with this HVAC stuff, I just don't feel like I want to deal with that. And another thing I was looking at or reading reviews on different scales was some of the off-brand scales. The display is made very cheaply, and as you have your cylinder on the scale, the display will shut off. Like it has a built-in timer or something, and I from what I read, you cannot reset the timer, display timer, to stay on, or you cannot reset the display to stay on. So spend the extra money and get, you know, a name brand scale. This scale here had good reviews. That's why I got it. But yeah, the off-brand, the cheaper ones, they're like $50, $40, $20. Like as you have your refrigerant on it weighing, and if you don't get your measurement or your weight, you know, look over and see what your weight is, the scale will cut off because it saves your battery, is what they're saying, the battery saver. But yeah, another thing I didn't want to do was buy a used scale. My instructor in class, in HVAC class, you know, advise everybody when it comes to your scale, your gauges, you know, try to buy new. When it comes to your recovery units, your vacuum pumps, try to buy that new, because there's a reason that they're selling it used most of the time. Like I said, I just didn't want to buy this used and go get refrigerant and whatever and it be off. You know, this here is, you know, where you make your money in refrigerant or HVAC, you know, weighing out different refrigerant. But anyway, guys, that's my scale. That's my unboxing. Thank y'all guys for tuning in. And talk at y'all guys later.